We have, on the one hand, all the equipment for diagnosing diseases like OCT. OCT is optical coherence tomography. It's a technique that allows the direct study of very small tissues, almost on the level of cells, using specific lasers. We have also another new techniques in retinal surgery, especially using very small gauge instruments to avoid the surgical trauma. And also there is a lot of new advances in pharmacologic therapies that have been incorporated in ophthalmologic practice, especially for treating macular degeneration.